Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a VS Code theme here, which is having the black background. If you go to extension, just type here black background. So this extension will come right here. So it basically have a complete black background. So if you just type in this extension black background, the very first extension which comes, it's almost 194,000 installs. Simply click the install button, and as soon as you install it, it has two themes. Either it's a black theme, you can check out, this is the syntax highlighting you will get. Just right here black background, and this is the theme here. So personally, if you like the black color, you will definitely like this. So the second version is the italic version. You can see that. So it's a really nice theme. If you just like a plain simple black background and then the syntax highlighting, so you would love this theme. If you like it, then you can definitely install it. It's used by many developers out there. And thank you very much for watching this video. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.